My name is G.Lokesh. I am studying 7th class. My school name is HSR KMGP High School. What's blood cancer? A cancer of blood forming tissues hindering the body ability to fight infections, also called as leukemia. Leukemia including bones, marrow and tissues. What is main causes of blood cancer? Changes in genetic material, exposure to high level radiation, having interactive syndromes which affected immunity system, exposure to photochemical. What is segments of blood cancer? Liver spoil, weight loss, easy bleeding, fecal infection. What happened in your blood cancer? Casus, figures, deaths, lumps, node swelling, and casus, lumps, node, neck or rampant. Blood cancers of 3 types. First one, leukemia. Second one, lymphomia. Third one, myeloma. Last stage of symptoms in blood cancer: pain, cough, constipation, death rates, and decreasing blood plates. Which year founded in blood cancer? 1832. Father of John Hughes Bent. Types of tissues: connecting tissue, nervous tissue, musical tissue, lymphatic